is wet belt. So just take all of that crap off, take the wheel off, take all that crap out, and that's how you do it. Simple as that. You're going to say good morning this morning.
Good morning.
Miserable git, innit? I know. I do apologise. He's a proper Harry, innit? Harry Muck. But anyway, we'll be back shortly. I'll show you how we get it all off. Cease. Also, you need to take the wheel off, but don't tell you how to do that. But there you go, guys. Forgot to say, take the wheel arch out as well, because it gives you that bit of access you need so you can see up in there, because you see that little plastic cover just up there. That's got to come off, because that's got your timing cover on. Also got to take your auxiliary belt off as well, get that out of your way, because nobody needs that in their lives. And yeah, see you in a sec. So yeah, a few things you need off this timing case. 1, 2, 3, 4, crank pulley, 313 mils that go in there. Obviously 4 in the timing case. And then you get this. Get some light in this situation with wheels. And there's your little timing belt window. Whee! And just like that. That's how you get it off. And now, just got to pull the belt apart once you've got the top apart. And then yeah, new timing belt. Job's a good one. See you in a sec. Ready guys. Just take all of that stuff off. It's obviously bolts there. Take the bolts out there, bolt out there, a load of bolts down the back of it. Then 3, 2, 1. And it's all off. Look at that. Run off for 20 minutes. He's already got it on. Look. Nice new belt on. Look at that. Lovely. It's just what we want to see. So, just for all you people out there, if you're curious, get your cam cover off, get your inlet manifold off, airbox out, and there's your old belt. It actually looks like that possibly could have been changed before. It doesn't look as bad as they normally look. They normally look pretty battered. Bit of advice though I would give you guys is when you go and get things like your crank bolt, go to Peugeot, same with your valve cover gasket, we found in our experience, get a genuine one. Because you replace them with the third-party ones that you find from, I don't know, third-party suppliers. Same with your timing cover gasket. Always replace those, and also replace your auxiliary belt on these, because just a bit of temporary measure. Look at this one we found today. Look at the state of that. Look, battered. You know full well within the next week or couple of weeks it's going to snap. So just out a bit of caution, just get a fresh one. You know, that's what you want to see. Nice and new, looking good. Just from our experience, if you take these valve covers off, if they aren't already leaking when you come to them, they'll end up leaking within a few days, weeks, whatever, and then you'll be back after a customer complaining with an oil leak. So you might as well just do it all at the same time. Yes, it's a bit more expensive, but while you're there, saves the customer money because it's just got to come off anyway. Well, see you shortly. Peace. If you're curious on the timing side of things, see that there? That's the timing set we use. Also, you tend to find, you see where it says down here, there's EX, this piece and that piece. I don't know if you can see it very well. There and there need to kind of be facing the same direction. And then there's also the lock in the gearbox. It's like a little peg that goes through that you need to lock it on. But yeah, see you in a minute. If you're wanting to know where the crank pin goes, it's just up here, the middle of the gearbox. Get it in there. And it looks just like that. And that's what locks your crank in place, guys. Oh shit. I'm just trying to break old Harry's box now. If you guys want to know what the torque settings are, I don't know if you can see that very well. But that's your torque settings on all the bolts you need. So just a bit of information that I'm going to add into the video. If I can do that on certain jobs, I will do. See you shortly. Well, if you're curious how we got to 180 degrees, it ain't easy by the way. It's a lot of pushing, but we use one of these. And that gives us obviously the degrees when you're tightening the crank bolt and things like that. But yeah, see you in a bit. He's on a mission today, look. Oh yeah.
I'm not feeling it.
It's always not feeling it,
I don't want to. I'm not very feel.
He's not very good with this whole camera stuff, is he? Do you know what I mean? It's like the Daz show at this point, really, isn't it? Good thing about these ones, you don't have to take the engine mount off. Just leave it in situ. You see what I mean about changing these gaskets? Look, it's already been leaking. So like, you might as well do it while you're there. It saves a headache later on down the line. Be back. Well, that's another one done. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's nice to have the rain gone for a day for once, because it has been rough the last few weeks. As you see, all running and smoking now. And another one saved, another one done. So remember, every 6 years on these, because these are an absolute nightmare if you leave them too long. But yeah, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to like, follow, share, all that good stuff. If you're on YouTube Shorts, it's right down here. See you in a bit, guys.